What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, doing a little bit of a market review on the S&P 500 today on Monday, September 10th. 20-day simple moving average on Friday, getting a bit of a hold and reversal off of that level. What we want to do is we want to confirm the breakout of this 2872, which happened about a week and a half ago, broke out, pulled back. If this level can actually hold with a shift in the MACD histogram and the momentum taking stocks higher, and we get a close over this level right through here, 28.91, I suspect that price action will, over the next foreseeable future, take out this pivot / swing high and go on to create newer all-time highs on the S&P 500. For the most part, earnings is out of the way. In the back mirror, we're noticing that a lot of the low floats are coming back. It was a really, really interesting time. There was more shorts than anything on our short float list, so we were hitting the market to the downside. But today, some of our movers were absolutely killing it. Top of our list, NLST. This thing was up 167%. So this is one of the top movers that the community was trading. Second one was FRED. Again, this was another big mover that was up 80%. I was actually sitting on this all day patiently, not trading it long, but looking to fade this move because it is sitting below, or it was sitting below that 200-day simple moving average. So I was looking for potentially take a shot at shorting this thing, but it didn't come to fruition. So I was more or less just sitting around, aside from NLST, waiting on this thing to turn to the downside. Did have a couple short moves that I was waiting for to follow through as well, but by and large today was a bit of a quiet day. There was a ton of stuff moving, but for me personally, what I was looking for, what I was trading, it was a bit of a flat day for me. Nothing too crazy going on, again, outside of that NLST play. And again, FRED, we're waiting on this thing to fade, but didn't happen. We'll look for it tomorrow. But S&P 500 at the top of the list right through here. Nice little reversal pattern setting up. Again, we want to get a breakout of that 28.94 level. We want to get higher, obviously, on the bull side of things to take out that 29.17 level. We have a number of reviews that we're going to be going through over the next couple days, so don't forget to tune in, like and subscribe, hit that notification button, because we are going to be posting all of the stuff that we put in our trade alert last night. So Sunday, I sent out a trade alert to our community members, and a number of the alerts have played out very, very well. I'm not going to say too much yet because, again, a couple of the swing trades that we're looking at are they're breaking out and developing today. So I don't want to give that away yet, but we're looking at some really, really big moves, really big plays on options. If you're interested in getting involved with Ask a Trader and our trading alerts, you can actually visit the link below in the description box. It's down there for you guys if you want to join up and get into Ask a Trader, which we hold on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And you'll also periodically get live video alerts where I give you a full analysis on stocks that we're looking at. I give you a breakdown on where I'm personally getting in and out of these things and where I'm going to be managing my risk. So if you're interested in that, again, the link is below. Check that out. S&P, you know what? Looking healthy. And again, the low floats that we're trading on an intraday basis, all looking healthy. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Thanks for watching this market review. Again, if you want to get involved with Ask a Trader and get those video alerts, click the link below. I'll put it down there for you guys. And don't forget to follow us on social media and keep in the loop with what the team is doing. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next market recap.